After you, Mr. Green.
I'm taking the stairs.
What's the problem, Mr. Green?
Don't like elevators.
What are you scared of?
Fucking deaf. I said I just don't like them.
Well, tough, because you're getting in.
Everything?
He wants a fucking war. I'm gonna give him a fucking war.
I don't think it was Lord John, Mr. D. He knows you'd come looking for him.
Well, he's not far from wrong, is he there, Paul? Because that is exactly what I'm gonna fucking do.
乜嘈玩我哋？我哋好似隻盲狗咁走入去，嚇！佢搞個地點㗎嘛。
I'm taking the stairs.
Before we do anything, Mr. D, we have to get Sam Gold his powder. Don't pull the trigger on the lawyer.
Shut your fucking mouth.
I'm getting out.
You ain't going nowhere.
佢講個地點俾我聽好嘛？啊！
No, no.
I said you stand right here.
Get rid of the Lord. There will be consequences.
Do I look like I'm afraid of the consequences?
後彩啊你！Get off！係咪？
I'm taking the stairs.
You ain't going nowhere.
Get out!
You motherfucking listen.
Look at me. You think I'm afraid of the fucking consequences? Take it stairs!
Listen to me.
錯咗啦！錯撚咗啊你！
You open your mouth one more fucking time, I'll blow your fucking head off.
Fuck him.
大家睇唔到我嚟嘅咩？
Fuck the consequences.
佢搞個地點啊嘛，我哋送埋俾佢做啊！
Fuck them all.
Do I look like I'm afraid?
No.
Do you understand me? Do you?
冇嚟揾我做生意嘛，冇撚用嘅。得，順便啦，靚妹仔。得。
Lou, what's going on?
We're here.
大佬，嗰6條友走咗啊！
How many are there?
喺前面嗰2間房。
We're doing the deal in the next room.
我哋用隔離房換貨。
When do you make the trade?
你仲有
10 minutes.
10 minutes?
10 minutes。
Don't trust those yellow dogs.
I don't trust anyone.
Lou, talk to me, you motherfucker. I'll kill you myself.
The consequences can kiss my black ass.
Don't worry 啊！我買咁啲頭彩啊你！打落去啊！
Lou,
such thing as problems, Mr. Green. Only situations.
起身啊！起身，確實係起身啊！做冇唔見晒啊！